said we would be back with the report. Sad news. Medical authorities and emergency responders along the Kampala-Gulu highway were locked in a high-stakes battle to save the survivors of a devastating Tuesday night collision, while regional agencies have established a verified logistical tracking network. Local leaders are moving aggressively to suppress panicking misinformation circulating on local airwaves.
That is the bus.
The official toll stand at 14 dead out of 28 injured, according to an official digital alert issued by the Uganda Police Force. The catastrophic crash occurred on Tuesday, July 7, 2026 at approximately 9:34 p.m. at the Bobi Trading Center. The head-on collision involved an Isuzu passenger bus belonging to Pit Travelers Company, registration number UBE110H, and a Mercedes-Benz Actress trailer, registration number KBS 564DZE7948.
This is the trailer.
Preliminary reports from Traffic and Road Safety PHAHO SPA Kananura Michael indicate that the bus driver was speeding, lost control while attempting to avoid a crossing pedestrian and slammed directly into the oncoming trailer. The impact left 14 people confirmed dead and 28 others injured.
Involved in the head-on with the trailer. We are trying to clear the road. Almost 70 to 80.
There is also Ground Zero Hospital Logistics, following a series of early morning inspections at regional health centers. On Wednesday, Gulu City Mayor Labeja Julius released a comprehensive tracking log to clarify the exact location of all casualties. The deceased 10 victims died instantly at the scene of the crash. 2 succumbed to their injuries at Gulu Regional Referral Hospital, and 2 passed away while undergoing treatment at Lacho Hospital. Both facilities are currently conducting post-mortems ahead of official body identification. Critical care status also out of the 28 injured survivors, 4 remain in critical condition, evenly split with 2 at Gulu Regional Referral and 2 at Lacho Hospital. Emergency intervention Major Julius confirms that funds are successfully cleared this morning to cover a vital CT scan for 1 patient fighting for their life, with medical work already underway. Other facilities, the Sea Care Medical Facility is currently managing 4 casualties from the tragedy. I must say, thank you, Labeja.
50% of the bus, they are dead.
There's also been very heavy media friction. 48 dead claims debunked. The tragedy has sparked a fierce row over journalistic standards in northern Uganda. Local officials inside regional monitoring networks like the Voice of Agago, that's VOA Forum, directly flagged local broadcasters for stalking panic. Rapper FM morning show is reporting 48 people are dead which isn't true, stated community commentator Alexander Okidi, noting that mass media institutions have a strict duty to convey information from authentic sources rather than extracting unverified figures from unverified social media platforms. The Gulu City Council Communications Office also, with reference, released an immediate media brief referring to the corridors in the Menakulu area and noting that a joint press conference alongside police and hospital administration is being organized to deliver finalized, verified identities. There is also political outcry which has followed devastation. As the region processes the scale of the horror, prominent civil society figures are demanding systemic changes. High-profile lawyer and activist Isaac Semakade released a scathing public statement alongside images of the cramped wreckage, arguing that the disaster should not be categorized as an accidental anomaly. The Bobi Highway tragedy is not an accident, Semakade wrote, attributing the crash to systemic road safety negligence and calling for immediate infrastructure audit and stricter institutional accountability. Traffic authorities have reinforced their warnings to long-distance motorists, demanding strict compliance with speed limits, heightened vigilance near trading centers, and defensive driving practices during low-visibility nighttime hours. Official investigations remain active as we talk right now. Thank you.